In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some beautiful boho feather earrings in under 15 minutes. Here and welcome to BOHO Macrame. This is a channel where you will find everything DIY macrame related, and in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to make these beautiful boho earrings in under 15 minutes. And this is a simple introduction to micro-macrame, which is macrame but using thinner, slender cords. So usually micro-macrame comes in the form of jewelry items such as necklaces and earrings. If you are a beginner at macrame, I do recommend downloading our free 50 knots and sentence ebook. It is a great resource for you to have by your side when you're learning macrame and learning new knots, or even when you're creating your own designs and you want to incorporate different knots within your patterns. If you guys are interested in downloading this, head on over to bohoknot.com for further details. And without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial.
The cord that you will need for this pattern is 2mm macrame cord. I've also used 2 fish hook earrings to make the macrame onto. This is the cord that I will be using for this pattern. This is a 2mm recycled cotton cord from our Lush line. This is a single strand cord that's twisted fairly tightly, so you don't have to worry about it coming undone fairly easily, which is great for making knots because you do want a sturdy and tightly twisted cord. Here I am going to be using these rose gold colored fishhook earrings. You can get these on Amazon or at your local craft or DIY jewelry store. To begin the pattern, we're going to take 1 fishhook earring and then take 1 strand of cord. We're going to take a little bit of tape and we're going to tape one end of the cord. Because the hole at the bottom of the fishhook earring is really small, you do want to use some tape at the ends of your cord so that you can weave the cord through it. Once threaded through, you can take the tape off. Place the pattern down vertically, and then we're going to either pin or tape down the top of the pattern. And separating out these 2 cords here, we're going to take the left cord as the working cord and the right cord as the anchor cord for a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then with these 2 cords separated like so, we're going to take another strand of cord and we're going to make a reverse lark's head plus half hitch knot on both sides. So taking 1 cord folded in half, make a reverse lark's head knot first onto the right cord. Then with each cord end, we're going to make a half hitch knot on both sides. Now repeat the same thing on the left side. We will be making a series of double half hitch knot diamonds within this pattern. We are making a double diamond pattern here. So within the middle of this pattern, we're going to take the middle 2 cords and make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then continue with 1 more double half hitch knot to the left, and then add a double half hitch knot diagonal to the right. close off this mini diamond in the center. So using the same anchor cord that we had just used on the left, we're going to flip it over to the right for a double half hitch knot facing the center. And then with the right cord, we're going to do the same thing and make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then finish off after that with one more double half hitch knot to the left with the middle two cords. Now on the outside, we're going to take the outer right and left anchor cords and we're going to make two double half hitch knots towards the center on both sides. Now with the middle two cords, finish off with one more diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Now underneath, what we're going to do is just add a mini diamond pattern. So all we're going to do is work with the middle four cords. So taking the same anchor cord from above, make one more diagonal double half hitch knot to the left, then make one diagonal double half hitch knot to the right, and then finish off the mini diamond just like how we did the one above, with a double half hitch knot on both sides facing the middle, and then one more double half hitch knot in the center to close off the pattern. So underneath the earring, you should have two longer cords. We're going to leave about an inch of fringe underneath and then cut off the rest. You should have two cords that are about 8 to 10 centimeters long. What we're going to do is incorporate these two scrap cords onto the side loops in between the two diamond patterns here. If you have a really small size crochet hook, you can use it for this part to get to the side loops. If you don't, what I'm using is a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to make some room on the loops on both sides before I push through the cord ends. So if you have any slender tools, you can even use toothpicks for this part. Then all you have to do is push the loop end of the cord through it from bottom up. And once the loop is through, take the cord ends through it to finish off the reverse Lark's head knot. Then repeat the same thing on the left side. Now all that there is left to do is comb through the fringe and then trim the fringe at the bottom to your desired shape and length. Repeat this pattern once more on the second fish hook. And we are now complete with these diamond drop earrings.
If you guys are interested in seeing more micro macrame projects just like this, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for more. Also, let me know in the comment section below what other micro macrame projects you guys want to see more of. I really hope you guys have fun with this one, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.